Squarespace Background Video Overlay tutorial. So here I am in my Squarespace dashboard, and then from here, let's go to the website editor. So we can just click a website right here and then click edit. So from here, if you want to have a background video overlay, you can just go ahead and add a section that you want to use. So for example, I'll just add a blank section right here. And then what we can do is that we can click edit section, then go to background. Then from here, you should see the option for the video. So from here, we can add a video with the maximum length being 1 minute. So we can click the plus button, and then it's either we can upload a video file, we can select from our Squarespace library, or we can browse free background videos from Squarespace. You can also use a link from YouTube or Vimeo if you want. So what we're going to do is that we're going to browse background videos, and then from here we can go ahead and select a background video that we want to use. So for example, I want to use this one, the snowy mountains. I can just click on it, click add video. Now we have this background video right here for this section. And then what you can do is that you can change the background width to be full bleed or inset. So the difference is that you have kind of like this border around the video. And then if you want to have the video overlay, you can use the filter right here. And then you have different filters right here like blur, you have brightness, and then you have contrast, invert, opacity, saturate, and sepia. So you can go ahead and see the different filters right here. But to have the video overlay, we're going to use opacity. Then from here, you should see this overlay right here from the video. So this kind of like white overlay. So for example, if I make that to 88, so there is a slight overlay, but if I have a lower value, for example 46, you will see that there is a bigger or stronger overlay right here. And then if you choose 0, you will just have a plain white background right here for your video, so you can't see the video anymore. So you should still adjust the value right here to however you want, so that you will have the perfect overlay for your preference. And then from here, that is basically it. So if you also want to try out the different filters right here for your video overlay, you can do that as well. But that is it. So that is how we can have the Squarespace video overlay for our section backgrounds. And thank you for watching.